The University of Manchester has the largest and most comprehensive nuclear community in UK academia. The university's Dalton Nuclear Institute works across faculties to coordinate nuclear research and teaching and builds industry collaborations which have real-world impact and national and international recognition.
The Nuclear Decommissioning Authority is responsible for cleaning up the legacy from 75 years of the UK nuclear industry, a programme which will take over 100 years and cost over £100 billion. The University of Manchester is providing the original, world-class research we need to do the job safer, faster and at lower cost.
Nuclear sites like Sellafield, Dounreay and Fukushima are hostile places, but our bespoke robots can perform tasks like measuring radiation, moving waste faster and cheaper whilst minimising risk to humans and the environment.
Sellafield is one of Europe's most complex nuclear sites, and effluent treatment is central to our decommissioning strategy. Dalton has transformed our processes, helping us reduce discharges of radioactive contaminants by 50 to 90%.
Developing a geological disposal facility for radioactive waste is a huge project, providing critical infrastructure for the UK. The Institute has really helped build a multi-university, multidisciplinary team to tackle the extensive amount of research we need required to demonstrate safety, whilst also providing the next generation of scientists to support geological disposal.
Nuclear energy is a critical part of government's energy security and net zero strategy. But new nuclear is impossible without efficient decommissioning. The Dalton Institute are providing government with the objective, independent advice necessary to shape such a sustainable approach.
After working in nuclear robotics at Manchester, I was keen to make sure that my research was transferred to real-world impact on active nuclear sites day to day. I co-founded ICE9 in June 2018 to help facilitate this. We now have 3 full-time employees with 3 more part-time, working with clients in nuclear, utilities and oil and gas, improving the safety and efficiency of hazardous inspection tasks.
The University of Manchester is committed to world-class research and discovery, teaching and learning and social responsibility. We want everything we do to make a difference to society. The Dalton Institute's activities completely align with these goals, making it a jewel in our research crown.
This collaboration has global attention and implications, but first and foremost, it's a national priority. It is critical in terms of addressing our nuclear legacy and laying the foundations for a sustainable future. And with its requirement of decades of support and expertise, it's completely unique. It just couldn't happen anywhere else.